Welcome all of you to my channel Easy IT Education. Hello friends, how are you guys? I hope that all of you will be blessed by the grace of Almighty. Greetings, Namaste and Sastri Akal to all of you from my side. Friends, computer has completely changed our life. In this digital age, everything is being done by computer. Now, be it railways or airways, medical or colleges and schools, government and non-government departments, or at home for pediatric practice. Therefore, our work is difficult because of computer. Computer is also a tool from which we can find our way of earning. If you want to improve your present life, then learn to use computer, which has become mandatory nowadays. Thus, I always try to give new things to you so that you can get maximum benefit from my channel. In every video, I request you to watch the video carefully and don't skip. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel and share it with your friends so that they can also get benefit. So why going too late? Here is our video topic. Shocking truth on best configuration of computer. Overview. The best computer configuration depends on your specific needs such as gaming, content creation, software development, or general use. Here are some ideal configurations for different scenarios. Number 1, gaming PC. CPU Intel Core i9 to i3 900K or AMD Ryzen 9 7950X. GPU NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090 or AMD Radeon RX 7900X ATX. RAM 32GB DDR5 6000. Storage 1 TB NVMe SSD for OS and games plus 2 TB SATA SSD for additional storage. Motherboard high-end Z790 Intel or X670E AMD chipset motherboard. Cooling high performance AIO liquid cooler. Power supply 1000 watt 80 plus gold or higher PSU. Case mid tower with good airflow and cable management. Number 2, content creation and workstation. CPU AMD Ryzen Threadripper 3990X or Intel Core i9 13900X. GPU NVIDIA RTX 6000 ADA generation or RTX 4090 for 3D rendering. RAM 64GB or 128GB. DDR5 6000 depending on workload. Storage 2 TB NVMe SSD for OS and applications plus 4 TB NVMe SSD for project files. Motherboard high-end X670E AMD or Z790 Intel chipset motherboard. Cooling custom liquid cooling loop or high performance AIO cooler. Power supply 1200 watt 80 plus platinum PSU. Case full tower with exceptional cooling and space for multiple drives. Number 3, software development and general productivity. CPU Intel Core i7 13700K or AMD Ryzen 7 7800X3D. GPU NVIDIA RTX 3060 Ti or AMD Radeon RX 6700 XT if doing light gaming or AI work. RAM 32 GB DDR5 to 5200. Storage 1 TB NVMe SSD for OS and applications plus 1 TB SATA SSD for projects and data. Motherboard mid-range Z790 Intel or B650 AMD motherboard. Cooling high-end air cooler or basic AIO liquid cooler. Power supply 750 watt 80 plus gold PSU. Case compact mid tower with good airflow. Number 4, budget build for everyday use. CPU AMD Ryzen 5 5600G or Intel Core i5 12400. GPU integrated graphics or NVIDIA GTX 1660 Super. RAM 16 GB DDR4 to 3200. Storage 512 GB NVMe SSD. Motherboard budget B550 AMD or B660 Intel motherboard. Cooling stock cooler comes with CPU. Power supply 550 watt 80 plus bronze PSU. Case compact mid tower with decent airflow. Additional consideration: monitor 4K or high refresh rate 1440 pixel for gaming, color accurate 4K for content creation. Peripherals: mechanical keyboard, high DPI mouse and high quality headphones or speakers. Operating system: Windows 11 for general use, Linux for development, Mac OS for specific creative workflows. Conclusion: the ideal computer configuration varies based on your specific needs. For gaming, priorities a high performance GPU and CPU. For content creation or workstation use, focus on powerful CPU with ample RAM and storage. Software development and general productivity setups benefit from a balanced CPU, sufficient RAM and fast storage. If you are on a budget, prioritize a capable CPU with integrated graphics and a smaller SSD. The best setup is tailored to your primary use case, ensuring optimal performance and value for your needs. Thanking you all for listening me patiently. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel.